E2201. Hello and welcome to another little trains out, and today we're at Newark Northgate on the East Coast Main Line. To be seeing services by Virgin Trains East Coast, East Midlands Trains, Grand Central, First Hull, and then Luxon Freight as well. Joining me here today is TrainSpotEast, Richard Charklin, and Reedo Railways.
As always.
Shut up, Tom.
No.
So, let's see what else shall turn up here at Newark Northgate. Enjoy. Okay, first Grand Central service to pass through is going to be a Grand Central Adelante.
6 minutes early pass, heading from Southern to London King's Cross.
Passing through 6 minutes early. (180, 103).
103?
Yeah.
Am I going to go here? The last one I saw 103, that was in the original STW delivery back then.
Okay, now passing through. Passing through. No. 43,238 and 43,320.
I bet my camera didn't.
Okay, next train pass through. 225 to King's Cross. And 'What was the 91?
What was any of the numbers?
220 on the front of the 225.
220 and then 91-1 something. Alright, over there.
Yeah.
It was 43,274 Spirit Sunderland. Spirit Sunderland was front, yes. And then back was. So the other one, so that's Spirit Sunderland was
316, I think I saw it.
That was 82,220, that's heading to London. 360. Alright, 82,220 on the front door. 82,220 and then 91, whatever. 91,124.
91,124.
43,274 and 43,299. And 43,299.
Okay, first train to actually stop here is going to be the 11:21 London North Eastern Railway service from Glasgow Central to London King's Cross. 82,205 Flying Scotsman. 82,205 Flying Scotsman with 91,125. 205 and 125. Okay, the next service to turn up is going to be the.
Next one coming in now is going to be a Tony King service from London King's Cross.
It's going to be the. Going to be 1 Bravo 82 from London King's Cross to Newark Northgate. I believe this one's running about 4 minutes early. 91,105. 91.105 with 82.217.
105 and 217. We see that one out there, don't we?
Yeah, we will see that go.
Do you think there's a train coming along the main line?
Okay, next train to pass by is going to be an LNER HST from Edinburgh to King's Cross. 367 and
Deltic 50.
what was the back one? 311.
311. I've noticed the numbers have gone a bit more like. Wait, was 311 on the front or the back?
Back.
Because Deltic 50. Font. Oh, well, bigger font now. That's got a bigger font. And the next train is well for 25. You just think actually then they're
43.367 and 43.311. Okay, next train to pass through platform 3 is a service from Leeds to London King's Cross, LNER service. And 91.107 Skyfall.
Oh yeah, it's still with the outdated Skyfall nameplate on there. That was released in 2012. I think I'm going to leave my camera facing this way. Yeah, there's no additional things added to the outdated list of nameplates, including excellent
H22229 with 91.107 Skyfall. Okay, next train to arrive onto platform number 1 is going to be the 1146 London North Eastern Railways service. 91.115 Leeds. Beardham Races. This service to Edinburgh Waverley. H1 115 with H22226. That's 115 H2206. 226.
Who comes?
Okay, next train to depart out of platform 3 is going to be the 1156. Also, we've got a 225. 91.110 H2202.
Okay, next train to now depart is going to be the 1156. And then the service starting here to London King's Cross. This is 91.105 and 82217. Bradford Peterborough Stephen is in King's Cross.
Not quite yet.
Yeah, rolling.
82.217. With 91.105. And the passer was 91.110 with H2202. Now passing Grand Central. .180.104 to Bradford Foster Square.
Yeah, pretty much 181.
Interchange then, to Bradford Interchange.
Square is the Virgin.
It had got the London Legends originally.
What's for Bradford?
Grand Central.
Let's make our way to platform 1.
180,
Let's do that.
180, 104 to Bradford Interchange.
Yes, it is. Goodbye.
And just leaving off there is
Don't not worry.
is 153,384.
Not worried that I didn't film that. Lincoln Central. He's going to Lincoln.
Yeah, it's only in the Lincoln run.
Are we going to go up the front of this next train?
Tom, move. Okay, next train to pass through platform 2. 225 set to double. That is 91 blank 82 to 04. That's not got a clue.
31 on the back of that one.
And on the back of that one is 231.
231, okay.
So,
the one heading south is going from Leeds to London.
That's London End.
And the other one heading up to London.
Okay, final train of the day is going to be Wow! East Midlands HST 075 and 069, I think, wasn't it?
43058 and 43045.
045 and 058.
Yeah.
And that's gonna be it for trains at Newark Northgate. Hope you've enjoyed it. My next one's going to be Retford, and I'll hopefully see you there. Bye.